After studying this model really well, I've decided to come up with a plan to start painting this thing. I've masked the outside so that when I put the lights on, the bottom part of the deck will light up from the underneath. I've also masked where the red alert goes on either side. And I also got the one at the door, and I've masked that front and back because I intend to put some red in there once I do the initial coat. Then it's up to getting the rails and the floors and the chairs done. I'm gonna try to paint this by hand because I'm not sure with this material how it's gonna react to paint, so we'll see how it goes. Here's another look at the final masking of the outside portion. I'm going to try to black out the light on the outside first, see how it reacts to paint, and then from there we'll decide how I'm going to approach the rest of the scheme paint. Continuing on with the masking, I painstakingly masked the front of the consoles and stuff so that I can try to spray the floor and the chairs in one shot. I managed to cover the furniture in the center of the bridge. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so here's the partially painted bridge. Got a little bit of black overspray in the back, but that's okay. And I'm going to be taking off the final mask for the furniture. And there you have it. I'll just wait for this to dry and continue with the detailing. Okay folks, here it is. I finally figured out how to paint the upgraded bridge for the TOS 1/350 scale. Look at the main viewer. That's so cool. There's Captain Kirk. And there's Spock. Notice the little pointy ears. I left the front consoles unpainted because I'm going to be putting some clear colors on there, so when the light flashes you'll see the consoles really well. So I'm not done yet. I just wanted to show the progress. The chairs came out really nice. Mind you, this is the size of a quarter. That about does it for this clip. I'll see you around next time.